Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kim and I'm glad that you are here to spend some time with me on today. Today we have a dollar store haul for you. I'm going to start out with in this video crafting things. And before we get started, if you're not already a subscriber, please click that subscription button and feel free to go down to the comments section and comment, "I'm connected." And if you make that comment, I will put your name on a leaf like this and then add your name to our True Vine Connection family tree. Also, I just want to thank all of those who have already subscribed and continue to be a viewer. Feel free to share this video with anyone that you know and comment, thumbs up, and all that good stuff. So let's get started. We'll start out with some stickers. Like I said, all these things I paid $1 for. Okay, first I have this bling strip. It's pink. I love this color. And then I have, and I hope you guys can see this really good, I really like this little girl here. And it's some more bling stickers. And I got Project Ideal. I bought 2 of those. One for me and one for someone else. I have these stickers here. I like these as well. Little flowers and leaves. Alrighty. Then let me show you guys this. This is a scratch art picture set. And this is the little sheet that you scratch. The color comes up from there. Scratch off all the black. And then the color comes up from there. And on the back, there's the little scratching tool. And once you've finished with this, and I'm sure some of you guys, we're going to do a project on another video that is similar to this. Something I used to do when I was a little girl. But anyway, this is hard plastic scratching tool. I'm going to move these items here. Then I have these alphabet beads. They're black and they're round. And there's the hole that goes through the bead that way, horizontally. Okay, I had some other ones, but I put those away because I'm giving those to the grandbabies. All right. Then I have these beads, and these beads, I like these. These are glass, and they have a little tassel on the end. And I have something that I want to do with those. That's blue. And this is kind of a mauve-y pink. Has a tassel on the back there. And then there's this green here. And these are some of the colors I like to decorate with. So there's those. Okay. These are some iron-on letters. I thought I bought 3 packs. Probably only have 2. But, yeah. Iron-on letters in white. Okie dokie. Some liquid adhesive glue. You can use it for gluing on gemstones and different other embellishments to whatever. And as it says here, to wood, plastic, leather, paper, cardboard, whatever. Alrighty. Next I have this book. This one I did pay a little more for. Paid $1.49 for it. It says, give it to God, then let God make it right. And this is from Joyce Meyer. And let's look inside. I like the colors. And all the pages, all the right-hand pages have that same thing on there. And then beautiful trim. So this is going to be, that's the inside cover. I like that. Okay. A new journal for me. Alrighty. Now, I have these, let me turn them around. These are glass paint brushes. And I have 5 of those. I have the pink. I'm guessing that's what it's called. But anyway, I'm calling it pink. Orange. Green. Blue. And black. And I have a project that I am going to be doing with it. Okay. Next, I have these Art Deco acrylic paints. And this one is Early Spring Green. Let me turn it this way. You can see the color a little bit better. Let me shake it up so you can see it. And this one is called Cool Blue. And that's the bottom part of it. But anyway, I'm going to shake them up and then you'll be able to open it up and then we'll be able to see what the color looks like inside. So that's what the color looks like inside. Okay. Let's do the blue one. Shake it up a little bit more. All right. And that blue is pretty as well. Okay. And the very last thing that I have is this braiding cord. It's cotton braiding cord. And I am going to use it with these beads that I have. And it comes in white. I'm calling it like a natural or khaki color. And then this one is like black or brown. Yep. Okay. So with that, I have one more thing. I'm sure it's very exciting. I bought some bubble mailers. I've already used one out of this pack. And then I have some smaller ones. But, you know, it's all the same thing. Okay. So with that, I am finished with this haul. If you enjoyed this dollar store haul, please give me a thumbs up and click that subscription button so you can see when I upload other videos. And we are going to use some of these things in some crafting. All right, until next time, thanks again for watching. Remember to stay safe, social distancing, be blessed, but most of all, stay connected to the true vine. Bye now.